issue of security for our land, I want to NBC, everybody tie bets put down. So federal government, no state government, no, they bring different bodies, then come out. When they concern BC the matter, they go take tackle them. But whether I like them or not, they anything they'll pass for this handle. So that make our blessing they bring them come out. For this matter, now we come and go cause some people there where we say yes, say they head sharp for this kind of matter. Maybe they talk to us for what they do. For matter when we say concern security for Edo States, what be their challenge, what they don't see, what they don't gain. We talk about other people that for people from the Edo Joint Vigilante group. We get with us here. We will take like that. We get with us here our brother Lucky Igbenovia, and I be the head of intelligence for Edo Joint Vigilante group. Welcome to our program.
Thank you.
So,
yes, I told. Thank you very much.
We know the speak grammar for here. I don't say we go school. We know go school.
Okay.
We got other person here. If you know before you be say you go reach the one when they under you feel part from the top because we decided to take him because now one be say they very humble. He say anyhow what you do so far the work is done and be own. We get our brother and friend Emmanuel Obo, now be the Edo State coordinator for the Edo Joint Vigilante group. Welcome to our program.
Thank you, Oga.
I want to ask, I'm not saying Edo Day for this name, Edo Joint Vigilante group. Edo State government get hand for the back of this matter when they do so. Master with you,
Nobody get them. And the smoke with the dual.
Okay.
My own position officer and say, okay, come and coordinate this program for us, make it work well.
Okay.
And I make an idea.
Okay, if I was to give you give us a little background to this, how does this start?
You should be say, vigilante there exists before, but different type they get. They get OPDA, they get Homeland Security, they get Crime View, they get EVSS, they get even what you call VGN, Vigilante Group. So many times days, some day when they ring bell for night, what they get for our area and community those days. Maybe you do on your part one, they go for this. All of them they exist before. But this time around, after the aftermath of the aftermath of ESAT, that is okay. What do we do to help ourselves?
Okay.
Now this city starts. And don't forget, say, during the way governor the campaign, he say he go make sure say security go dey for the doorstep of everybody's house. Okay. So that we will fight crime because crime they are the increase at the time. Now make this thing come up this way.
Okay. May I find from you, my guy, Lucky Igbenovia? The name be that a bit?
That's my name.
Thank you. I want to find out from you now. Ever since then and all of that, now they get encouragement from government. And if they get encouragement, what is the relationship with the Nigerian police?
Thank you very much. Let me talk about the government of the governor of the state first before I go straight to the Nigeria police matter. You know, say for this state, our governor, no as a Obaseki, governor of Edo State. Now, person will be say if you sit down like this, if you like it, talk from today to reach tomorrow. Once which he want to do, he go analyze and it go benefit everybody. Okay. Now he can come out. Call all vigilante, not be only one vigilante, all vigilante in Edo State.
They call the names, that's just like.
With many different type of vigilante, with many. He come measure all of us together, bam, to become one. Now called Edo State Joint Vigilante Group. To make sure say we fight all those yama bad things where they do for Edo State, all those chief. So many things were not good they do for this state. So it's make we bring all of them out. Okay. You know, in every country there must be the good, the bad, and the ugly. So as we do so, we don't ready to also work for the state so that the state will still enjoy the dividends of security. Okay. Say everybody go sleep with their two eyes closed. Now we did. That was the police. I thank the commissioner of police of Edo State, and I also thank the OC anti-Curtis with their assistance when they give us. Is then when this matter starts. They don't leave us for inside. Anytime we call for their backup, they go. Anytime we go operation, we must carry the police along because people of this world, their things get as it be. Anything we do small just now, they'll say no, we say it happen. But we they coordinate them and the police they give us assistance very well for the matter.
The area of logistics, that's the one area where we say at the look. How to the get logistics they take work because now okay now I want to go fight a crime now. People will be saying I want to follow fight arm robbers. They carry AK-47, carry different things there and all of that. But not in hand like this, now you take whole person will be carry AK-47.
No, how you go to here? But the truth is, say, I let tell people, if you want to fight your enemy, now what do you get? Now you go use to fight your enemy.
Yeah.
I will give you for example. I remember one time when my daughter was small. He told me, say, Daddy, there's snake there for kitchen. The next week they mad at a broom. Now I carry. Yes, so I carry with a mosquito. I hold a broom for my left hand. I carry the broom for my right hand. When I did, I press that for the snake face. Then I use the broom. Wipe out. Then I start to kill him. Before I come out of that station, I think some come with the spiritual body. So I go down. I went down again. When I speak again, I was speak for the body. Okay. The point is this. Now what do we get now? Now our boys they use. Some people they use brain. What they call intelligence. Okay. If you just see this guy, he know and say the ham robber be. Oh, now this guy person be. Or he never understand the person said. He look his face too. The guy face too strong. Guy be. We don't work out come up for them.
Now all of us we know.
Yes, now you go just give call. When you give call, in fact, make I could say this one. Though my brother took and say with the oceanic courtesan, with the oceanic kidnapping, whatsoever. All the secret agency they assist us. When the information we get, you just anyone with your phone, your number come inside, call them. They go answer you. All the DPO, we get their number for this state. We get all their number. We just call and say, for there your place for there. So. One people like we here, bend, go left, go bend, go right. Just we will describe and where for them. See what he be. Now so they'll call like, hey, give me your pointer. Person will show us, see the person will come. They don't pick and sense.
This is like intelligence when we say talk about it. So I go ask my brother, because he be head of intelligence and the rest. They tell us say for every 12 there is a Judah. We really guarantee say people will be say this side. You know, if you take out, you know, they possible now. Say Hillary or the other member of the vigilante team, and Victor Rio they get issue and everything. If you just point and say this person, I don't understand that and all of that. How do you handle that kind of matter?
Thank you very much, my brother. You see, in everything in this world, there must be allegation, and we have to find out. If anybody accuse anybody, say if they do something, and you know understand, maybe if he get Babele for now, he can say if they do that thing, we will investigate that person. Okay. You know, security is secret. There are some certain area when I go talk rich, I go stop. There are some certain area when I will still talk rich. We are not say the public is supposed to also know because security na secret.
Okay, if na that one you talk, since we say security na secret, no wahala, no problem. Because na secret, the cash sense not the information. But I won't find out. Make I take us go back small. The other day I see una for roads. Some of them made for this one Joshua go like that, say for some other areas, that kind of thing. I don't know what they do for the center of roads. What we hear, you know, for inside bush, and they kidnap people. Inside bush, and they carry people from the main roads, go inside the city. We know they hear of such cases like around the main roads for Benin Lagos Road now, Baohun Junction. Okay. We hear for places like Benin Auchi Road, like Rokosa or Bagie, all those areas.
They mention their names, and they hear you.
You understand to all of those ones. And we know still not carry gun or carry anything, go stand for those kind of roads. And not enter inside bush, now inside town here, and can't stay. I don't want to marry that one. We try to data for inside bush, understand, then they carry for they go. And I want to be saying, because they stay for inside this. I mean, I want to help police to do their work or say, where your paper, where no your paper. No,
we don't do that one. But make a question. Make us a question. You know, when it comes to security matter, now at the place B, you know, if you compare the do state security issue with another state and data state, even a data near reach. The way they talk for data, it go different way to talk for Benin. Now the way they take the raw for Benin, those states, now so state they operate.
Now look at all the robbery. Now they don't see what be say cause I kidnapping.
9 days ago carry 9. I said 10 days ago, 3 days ago carry 9 people. Even the woman where they kill, the husband they carry the husband inside bush, and the pikin will bring the pikin and the wife back to Benin. Okay. Number of people do. We bring 9 of them. They decide bush. We ask them to decide bush. One of the carrying machine, they effectively swap the motor. The motor will just break. They enter the.
Okay,
but we go to the. Make I answer that question first. We talk and people that why I answer that question. We say we did both bush and land. I mean, side town. Okay. The one with this bush, you know, we won't know the day. We get around there. You get we take share for different locations. That bus spot where people from, what will likely happen. It did there. Then we see get for me to say, see as town be, we know what take place and men for town. sometimes even these days if you take note very well this period they change their time wetin dey rub once we get the information we fit change our pattern wey we take dey operate sometimes you know say people
na the style they bring
na we dey follow
okay
that's your the secret and the way they come now we take dey follow them
okay
but another thing again you know say we try to change the pattern of security no be say we just change am o but improve on it in most parts of Africa today we believe say or wetin dey do we dey call am active security active security be say na when something don happen finish they call everybody go run patapata na be active security.
so they reactive proactive.
Yes one way we dey try to do when this our oga dey help us.
before e happen una don coach am.
yes wey Yusuf Haruna wey be our oga gogogo na him get this initiative na be the Agaba one the great masquerade.
okay what do we carry come here.
yes him dey tell us say it's better say make we dey operate from dey call am reactive.
okay.
Not active reactive.
okay you not proactive.
Proactive my name is what proactive.
okay.
Or e better more use word proactive.
okay when we use that the way be say because me no go school that before I call dey call confuse me with all this thing we na reactive proactive anyone the most important thing say how na take dey do am.
that one be say we make sure say we make we no allow happen. We go do something make we no allow happen. Okay. And if e happen and wetin we go do in dey train us dey tell us say I don take do am so that be that one so if e happen somewhere now like for example now say something happen for Ewotubu the way we take design this program how e dey go armed robbery fit happen for Ewotubu now and our people dey there dem go let us know say something happen for there we get means wey take dey communicate and that information don reach us finish we go call those wey dey Egbeoko say something just happen for Ewotubu those people dem still dey there o we go call people wey dey for down the Wuse side or around the Konobo Kokogbo or Kokogbo call dem. We call the one we dey for yes we call the one we dey for Zebu say something happen for Ewotubu all those ones go come wait for the likely road wey they go pass come outside then those one wey dey inside they go dey do their own work as we dey speak to you na that time we don dey call the DPO wey dey cover that area which is likely the Ewotubu we don tell say something dey happen for there o as we don see dey go we don even call state. we don call na network don already. na dey call networking security networking. okay na be this free program wey we dey do this security.
okay no problem may I come to you Oga Lucky Igbeneghu you see intelligence matter if I no make mistake the area wey we say we dey really hear of say kidnapping na be that Benin Aochi road with that community wey be say I don call just now sote that situation that so the chairman of one local government Nakola Agbama he come dey stand for this chair wey be say it's that so the same question be say we say ask am and we come gather for people wey be say dey call us people wey be say dey give their experience say for inside the bush there how they carry people there dey go they get houses and everything for that place there na say if they go say see dead body people wey be say don even die.
Again we don see.
So I want to find out they get the lodge people get where they stay there what can they do for this kind of matter to work hand in hand people waiting for that area say abeg na dey here wanna show us through.
Thank you very much my brother God go bless you you know I tell you just now say security is secret. We the Edo State Joint Vigilante we ready anywhere where criminal dey for this state Edo State we ready to reach there but the method wey we go take reach there nobody know. That is security.
The most important thing is say na arrest.
We ready. Those one they talk say they dey bush as we dey talk now all of us dey here we have our men in every corner we have our men in this for city here our stop and search no be for particulars we no get right to ask for particulars of motor na guns now we dey focus looking for guns those no when I put s no say many all those guns where they no get who no get right to hold gun carry gun na those guns we wan carry from them wey we give government wey get the gun. So that is what where we do super search. For those kidnappers where they inside bush, our people deal with them. Anything by anything, as I dey here so me when they talk to you so over 40 years when I dey fight crime. I dey and I still ready. Me myself they still dey enter the bush sometimes.
So you when they enter the bush and everything now, if I ask you make an assessor now, will they make progress at all?
There's a progress. So we don't carry many.
Okay. May I take us go back because I did for this one. I see everything. For whom? In the early part of this week, it will be Monday, and the rest we hear say they hold some people for that place. We see some guns for their hand, rock up to size, and the rest. Those people now, where they dey.
Let me ask the question.
Anybody.
Okay, make I ask the question. Now that question you ask me so, or we ask us. Now fine question. And then you see the ask us how they operate. If we arrest
no, if you don't tell me how they operate.
No, I mean, if we arrest person, how would they do them?
What do you have? No. What do you have to those people?
We hand over to our the anti-kidnapping units. May they continue the investigation.
Okay, but those people they complete that they say yes, we arrest them, and the rest say they be farmers.
And they be farmers.
They be hunters.
They be hunters. Okay, fine. May they do their complete investigation, because how you say person a hunter for a community, the people for the community they complain, say they don't understand these people. They move their how did they work out. Sometimes they harass them from side bush. They see them, you call them hunters, and when they see them, we gone. I say, what did they happen that day that? They see say one person that man they drive bike, the one and the Fulani man, they drive bike and waiting waka.
No,
straight.
No jail.
Now they stop am. Really stop. Now she take up, then they take follow am.
So like what you talking about, the part where they bring, corner they follow them.
No, they follow that. They follow am. On the product, they hold and they see things cut to size for inside the bag. Then different kind of things got there and different weapon. Now they ask, they say, what do they take all this into they do? They not fear assessing one person, one man with their organ. Now I give them. Now they work. Which kind of work can they do for inside bush? Okay, the community leaders know so they here. No answer. Who knows that they here? Nobody know. Say they did there. But these people now, if they not see animal hunt, what did they come hunt for? Human being. But they want to deceive ourselves. They go hunt person. If they not see animal to hunt for, what did they go hunt for? They go hunt person. Are they licensed hunters? Who know them? Did they for because Hunters Association?
Yeah, but they say they get
bush there for whom? Bush there for forest there for whom? Monkey there for whom? Grass cutter there for whom? Lion there for whom? No land, no bush, no forest for whom? Lion there, and they ask you now. Where did they want go hunt? And they ask you whether lion there for whom? That small gun where they caught. Now they tell they do hunting. Now they do hunting. That long one. Now they tell they do hunting.
But they say they get license. Say,
but
Kano State give them license.
Kano not be Edo State. If they want come hunt, they go enter here do the necessary protocol. Then all of us will go know. Edo not be Kano. At all. Edo not be Kano. That don't be so government take one time. That's all. Remember when I tell you we start this program say we don't want to leave any mistake. You know, if bird fly, we dey come and go look at where we know the color of the bird. Okay. But if fly, we won't know whether na mosquito. We no go because the shot person blood. Okay.
Or if na fly, whether it's a fly or another.
Yes, we no want take and take play at all. Make come prove and say see wetin be, what you know wetin not be. You know what you don't see for this Benin? You know what you don't see? You know what you don't see for this Benin? If we do this work, they count am. They know they count am. Funny things. But you know what I expect. Last one where people go for where they go, where they get some information, and they tell that place, no, they waka. Somebody jump who what they call them a cow. So I make you don't fish shoot them. So you don't tell us more, they look there like that. Then let me take your mind back. You ask some questions and say, how will they waka for this highway? I want to use highway for no get motor. No motor, more they deceive ourselves.
I talk about logistics.
Yes, now you say we go highway. We go highway. Now my leg want to go highway.
That means yes, the government not giving us support for that area. They don't give government not giving a motor.
No, he said that they call, we they wait. Okay. But however, we don't go feel wait for that one. Because motor said the truth. We need to protect ourselves.
Okay.
We need to protect our brothers and sisters. This is our homeland. We need to protect our homeland.
Okay, before I go let you come out and because time not be our friend, we don't talk so much. I want to find out from you now in this kind of a place, what I want people do to make sure say this thing, this thing it work well the way it's supposed to be. May I take you,
Thank you very much, my brother. I beg everybody, every citizen of Edo State, every good citizen who are for this Edo State, may they assist this joint vigilante group. In your house, you are security. Give us information. Everybody is security in his house. For the country where I say wise, from door to door, everybody in a police. So with this one, any information where you get, pass on to us. We will still drop our phone number, some of our phone number, before we come out. Pass the information to us.
Tell us that's how we go put the phone number. So we'll go write it. Anyway, maybe my brother help me quick write the number. Call the number. So that's
080 34 81 9008.
9008. Call them again.
080
34 81
9008.
9008. Better on that number.
080
080
3666 3666
080 3666
1821
080
3666 1821. That number 24 hours, 48 hours, a day on. Make I take you ask one question where you know what to finish.
And let me ask you the question. You know we talk and finish now.
So
Like say you don't stop.
No, you ask, I'm gonna look as you blink your eye. Then I see blink my eye too, blink my mouth. You know, I want to take your mind and go back. This is not be today start to. You know, say not the way you put bits of fire the thing shop out.
No.
In 2019, to be precise, November, the state governor.
Delta State Governor.
Yes. Okuwa, Dr. Okuwa, Senator Dr. Okuwa, he hosts all the South governor and all the security chiefs about talk about this kind of issue, community policing. How would they protect our homeland? In the community reach that very day, I was there personally. The community reach that very day say that the governor himself will take the lead in this kind of program. Then the stakeholders, individual, corporate bodies, companies, just like you and I, we could contribute for this security matter. So now be the time for us to do exactly what we discuss for that November 2019.
This contribution that be financially and the rest.
Yes, now. Like,
what of the money when we say they read their security vote? How they call it do that one?
Where did they raise my hand?
No, where did they give them a security vote? What do you call they happen to those ones?
Now,
Because see Okowa, I hear Okowa talk and say yes they will do it. So they ask now, Okowa and the other governors and the rest and all of that. We know quite what I say, go make all of us this thing. The money when we say yes they come as security vote, what that happens to them?
And now then you go out that kind of question because I don't know how they tell you.
Because you there for the this thing there that day now.
Yes, I did
there that day and all of that. Maybe at that point in time, maybe for ask and say this money when we say you talk about everybody needs to contribute like you said, information and all of that, right? Intelligence gathering and the rest. The one we say concern finance, now they bring us people could come. So they're supposed to map out to it. Maybe they'll take care of
yes, but at this point in time, as in they do your own calculation, they see how so they think they come because security should not be small matter for these states. Remember, saying that 2 correction centers and now they bust to 2 and at least we fed on ground before. So you know, say person we won't train 2 children, one cook for 2 children, not be the same pot they will use. Take cook for 10 children. More looking for that angle.
No problem.
So we need
even you as a doctor cannot. I will put mouth for you to tell the whole people, see make we cooperate to make sure say this Edo vigilante group say they succeed.
Yes, we need mobility. We need mobility to then go to those places where we go.
True mobility.
We need logistics now.
Yeah, that is it. So the truth be say we don't hear, and those people they hear now, and maybe to they start, maybe they say how they take joy. But me, I know say person will be say you get load. Now if they carry am for other people, they help her. I don't say get what to do.
We don't lift our thank you very much, Nora. First and foremost, I thank the governor of this state.
Yeah.
He have really tried so much for combining everybody together. For now, he should please continue with what he's doing to fight security so that everybody will get peace for this state.
Thank you so much. We talk since with the people that where we say come from the Edo Joint Vigilante Group, where we say Emmanuel Obo, now he be the state coordinator. Thank you so much when we say you call. And the head of intelligence too, Lucky Igbinovia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother.
We'll take some break. We'll come back and for where we say we stop. Not go anywhere. The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, and the reach from Independent Television. Anyway, we say they watch us around the globe. Stay with us.